How to upgrade plan in Netflix. If you want to upgrade your plan in Netflix, you won't be able to do it using the mobile application. So you have to open up your browser. You can open up your browser from your phone by simply going to netflix.com. So you can do this the same process on your iPhone as well. Once you go to netflix.com, just tap on the three lines option from the top left, and from here you'll find an option that says account. So you want to simply go to that account option there, and once you go to the account option, you will see this type of interface. Here you'll find an option that says change plan. So simply go to the change plan option there, and once you go to the change plan option, you will see a couple of more options. Right from here, what you have to do now is, if you had a basic plan and you're trying to switch to other, that would be upgrading. In my case, I'm already on the maximum plan, but depending upon which plan you want to choose and upgrade or downgrade, select that plan, scroll down, and just tap on the continue button in order to save the changes, and your changes will be instantly taken. And this way you'll be able to upgrade your Netflix plan or account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.